How long does it take to clean up after using a semi-automatic espresso machine from Italy? Yes, it is the one that the barista uses in the cafe. To clear things up, a popular misconception that many people have that this kind of espresso machine takes too much time to clean. I will be showing you how and the time taken to clean up the coffee making area. I hope to educate everyone that an espresso machine at home is relatively easy to use and fast. The espresso machine is Royal Synchro 1 Group Water Tank Edition, made in Italy. The grinder is Fiorenzato F64 Evo with an ultra-fast 64mm burr that is also made in Italy. I have been using this machine to make 12 cups of coffee, so there is slightly more to clean up today. You can find links below of me using this machine to make coffee before I clean this. As you can see, it takes just 1 minute and 12 seconds to clean up after you use this kind of espresso machine. As a note that this is an unedited footage of the video taken of me cleaning up this espresso machine and everything around the area. An espresso machine purpose is to push pressurized steam and water off the machine. Therefore, there is no internal components that you should be cleaning, at least not on an everyday basis. Do note that the manufacturer and the technician do advise that you should do a group head cleaning after every 200 cups. If you are a home user and if you are making 2 cups of coffee per day, then we calculate out to roughly about 100 days. That being said, it is best to do a group head cleaning once every week or every 2 weeks. Group head cleaning is automatic and you just need to press a button in order to activate the auto cleaning. Do refer to my other videos if you should be interested to know how it looks like. Do post in the comment section below if you should have any questions or requests for videos. As always, have a nice day.
Goodbye and please subscribe. I hate making coffee. Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe.